Hey everyone, today we're breaking down the top 6 products to help you out. If you're vibing with what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button and remember to peep the description for more info and the latest prices. MageGee, the MageGee Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, the ultimate compact solution for gaming and productivity on the go. With its sleek designs and premium feature, this keyboard offers unparalleled performance and versatility. Featuring 68 keys in a compact layout, the MageGee Portable keyboard maximizes space efficiency without compromising functionality. Equipped with blue mechanical switches, each key press delivers tactile feedback and audible click, enhancing typing accuracy and gaming responsiveness. The LED backlighting system illuminates the keys with vibrant colors, adding a stylish flair to your setup and ensuring visibility in low-light environments. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux systems, this keyboard offers universal compatibility for seamless integration with your preferred device. Constructed with durable materials, the MageGee Portable keyboard is built to even withstand the rigor of daily uses, making it an ideal choice for both office and gaming environments. Whether you're typing up documents or dominating the virtual battlefield, the MageGee Portable 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard provides the performance and reliability you need to stay ahead of the competition. GK61. If you prefer a mechanical keyboards that come with a customizable optical switch, then the GK61 mechanical keyboards is your best plug. The keyboard has a whole lot of features that are guaranteed to enhance your gaming experiences. The top of these features is the multiple RGB backlit mode. The keyboard has 11 lighting patterns that affect your gameplays. Plus, the customizable Gateron optical switch adds more gaming flair to your rigs. Besides, you can easily replace the switches to suit your needs and preference. Thanks to the key and switch puller included in the packages, you can easily change the looks of your keyboards. Even more, the GK61 software further help you to record and alter the macro of the keyboards to reflect your gaming styles. Because this device comes with 60-inch Type-C and Type-A USB cables, you can easily change your keyboard positions without hassle. In addition, the keyboards is compatible with most Windows and Mac OS. Although the GK61 is majorly made of plastic, it is well built, heavy, and sturdy to last for a long time. In all, it's a great choice for setting up your gaming den on a budget. Redragon K582 SURARA. The Redragon K582 gaming keyboard features pluggable Redragon red switches, characterized by their linear top-to-bottom design. These switches offer a smoother and easier keystroke experience, requiring less force to press down. While lacking a tactile bump, they remain highly responsive, making them an excellent choice for both work and play. With 100% anti-ghosting across all 104 keys, this keyboard ensures accurate simultaneous key presses, essential for competitive gaming. It is fully programmable, allowing users to reassign keys or create intricate macros for seamless gaming experiences. The keyboard offers 6 backlight themes and 18 backlight models, enabling users to type comfortably even in low-light conditions. Brightness adjustment is easily done using the FN plus up-down keys, and the arrow key remains visible in any non-breathing mode. Built to endure extensive use, the Redragon K582 undergoes a 50 million keystroke test. Its small actuation force and short travel distance contribute to its durability and performance. The solid base, along with the double injection ABS keycaps design, ensures it can withstand the rigors of gaming for a lifetime. MSI Vigor GK50 Elite. The MSI Vigor GK50 Elite is in worthy picks. Although it's a little too clicky for a keyboard with tactile key, its typing noises are considerably music to the ears if you're one to enjoy the clacking of keyboard sounds. While it's one of the pricier contender on our list, its gorgeous aesthetics and sturdy builds should help you realize its worth. Its matte coating doesn't leave fingerprint smudges too, making this a stellar option for those who snack a lot while working. Like the Impulse, the Vigor GK50 Elite offer the excellent Kale Box white switches. You can also get this keyboards with Kale Blue switch, so it will be loud and clicky no matter what. While the plastic keycap here aren't fancy, they did a great job of fighting off fingerprint smudges during our testings. MSI also included a premium top plates, but skimped a bit on the cables, which is rubber that doesn't have much reinforcements for durability. But this is still and well-priced, albeit simple, keyboard with premium typing experiences. Gamers will also miss out on lavish premium features like bonus macro keys or onboard memory. Additionally, the Vigor GK50 Elite is only available with clicky, tactile switches that can be exhausting to hit rapidly and repeatedly. Hexgears GK715. The Kale Box mechanical switches offer precise tactile and auditory feedback, providing an unparalleled typing experience where each keystroke is executed with lightning-fast precision. Equipped with Kyle click-in plug-in switches for maximum durability, this mechanical keyboard boasts a lifespan of up to 1 million keystrokes. Thanks to its hot-swappable PCBs, users can effortlessly switch between 3-pin and 5-pin switches, allowing them to explore different tactile and auditory sensations and customize their keyboard to suit their preferences. The ABS double-shot keycaps ensure exceptional durability and resilience. With a rechargeable battery providing up to 300 hours of usage, this mechanical keyboard combines performance with longevity. Its 104-key layout and ergonomic design offer a comfortable gaming experience, retaining the standard number keys, making it suitable for both office work and gaming sessions. This wired mechanical gaming keyboard is compatible with Windows, macOS, and Android systems, offering versatile connectivity options with laptops, desktops, PC computers, tablets, and more. ROYALAXE L98. The new G Pro 3.0 retains the pre-lubed feature of its predecessor, the G Pro 2.0. It also incorporates the condenser light effect structure found in the previous model, but with a new frosted, light-guided surface to enhance the brightness and consistency of the backlight. Additionally, we have upgraded the pins on the G Pro 3.0 to be harder, ensuring a more stable and smoother typing experience. This computer keyboard is gasket-mounted and features pre-lubed G Pro 3.0 yellow switches. It includes 2 pieces of silicone dampeners that tightly fit between internal components, effectively reducing noise and providing a pure and comfortable typing experience with responsive feedback and satisfying sound. The wireless mechanical keyboard boasts a 1.14 TFT LCD screen for displaying time, connection mode, battery level, and WinMax system information. Users can customize and display images or GIF animations through the downloadable driver. Furthermore, it features a vibrant RGB bar with 5 switchable modes, enhancing the keyboard's visual appeal. With the ability to connect via 3 Bluetooth channels, 1 2.4 GHz wireless USB, and 1 Type-C wired connection. This Bluetooth keyboard supports multitasking workflows for up to 5 devices, and is compatible with both Win and Mac systems. Equipped with a 6,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 75 hours of standby time with RGB lighting turned off. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.